Hi friends, this is called the polar bear penguin game. And you can have an adult help you cut these out. They have fish in their belly, so that means that they ate them. They kind of look like goldfish crackers if you like goldfish crackers. So here, this one each has one, these have two, and it keeps going and going and going. So after you cut these out, you're going to turn them upside down. They go all the way up to lots of numbers. So you're going to take those and you're going to pick them out randomly. Randomly means you just pick them up one at a time. And you can do this one or this one. This one says, who ate more fish? So you're going to turn them over and you're going to just pick one up. So let's say this is the one you picked up. Who ate more fish? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bear ate more. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who ate more? Are they the same number? So the answer would be nobody ate more. What if we did it this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Penguin have eaten more. So you're going to put this card here. We also have one that who ate less. So who ate less means who has less in their tummy, not as much. So you have to figure that one out too. And if you'd like to, you do not have to, you can write the numbers here. Like polar bear had 3 in his tummy, penguin had 2 in his tummy. So who had more? Bear had more. Who had less? Penguin had less. And there's 2 pages, so you can play it over and over if you'd like. This is a lot of fun. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.